Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today, I'm doing a collaboration with 4 other amazing artists. We're doing a little twist on the 3 do's, 3 don'ts challenge. We're calling it 5 do's, 5 don'ts because each of us are going to choose 1 do and 1 don't. So makes it a little bit more difficult. And just for the record, some people were trying to be a little personal. I'm just saying. Just kidding. Love you, Nicole. Anyway, so I have my base down. So let me tell you what the rules were. Okay. So I chose do use metallic gold. Surprise, surprise. No ring pour. Christy chose we need to use a red and no square canvas. Katrin chose to do negative. We need to have negative space and no black or white for the base. I have the Color Place House Paint Winter Mauve is what I'm using for my base. It's mixed with Floetrol, Liquitex Gloss Pouring Medium, and some Golden Gak 800. Okay, then Nicole said we need to use a skewer or something similar tool. And this is where it's personal. She said, no palette knives, Amy. No, I'm just playing. I love you, Nicole. I'm just teasing. And then Rose chose that we had to create our own color and then we could not use a blow dryer. So I am going to do a funnel pour. The colors that I'm using are Blick Fluorescent Blue. I'm using Soho's Dioxazine Violet Hue. Deco Arts Metallic 24 Karat Gold. For my red, I'm using Arteza's Bordeaux Red. And then I'm also using Liquitex Basics Violet Gray. Oh wait, is that? Purple Gray. Sorry, Purple Gray. And then for the color that I created, I am taking 3 colors and putting them together. So I have I'm going to put them in the order that I say them in because I made up my own name for them. And it's Metallic Violet or Metallic Fluorescent Violet Magenta. So I put a little bit of Deco Arts Metallic 24 Karat Gold in there. And I used Blick Fluorescent Violet and Blick Fluorescent Magenta. So I mixed those 3 colors together and I got this beautiful color. I wish you could see the shimmer in there. It's so pretty. All right, so let's get this started. So I want to have some negative space, so I'm probably just going to kind of go here in an angle. So that way I have negative space here on the outside. All right, I think I'm going to start with some gold. If you hit the description there, and then we pull up their links to their channels will be there. So hopefully you'll please go and check them all out. They're all amazing artists. It's going to be really fun to see what everybody does. Not feeling that corner down there. Alright, I'm gonna wipe my hands off. Some really pretty colors here. Now, you know, I have my palette knives over here and they're talking to me. You know, please use me. But no, I can't because Nicole said so. Oh, I'm just going to tease you, Nicole. I'm going to use a straw just to kind of blow out on some stuff and see what I can get out of that. I like it. 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 Alright. I'm going to bring it down for a close-up. I wish like some of this gold wasn't quite so heavy and it was more mixture like this, but those cells that are in there are just gorgeous. So I'm good with it. I'm gonna bring it down. Bring it down for a close-up. All right, everybody, I'm gonna bring in for a close-up. So what I did use this little baby spoon and then streak some color through. This was just a little bit too much gold for me, so I wanted to add a little bit more color to it. It still looks like it's almost like two paintings, which is cool. Different. But I do like it a lot better now with a little bit more of this color coming through. So let's bring it down here so you can see. Look, there's the little baby heart. And just look at the colors, all that shimmer. So beautiful. The Bordeaux red is beautiful. Beautiful. There's another little heart. But I do like it a lot better with this color going through. All that shimmer. Oh my goodness. Love it, love it. You know, I can't get enough shimmer. But I do thank everybody for watching. Please go and check out the girls' videos. I was first. Next up is Nicole. And then after her will be Rose, then Christina and Katrin. Their links are in my description, so please go and check them out. I would appreciate that. They're amazing, amazing artists. Yeah, and this was a fun challenge for all of us. We kind of did some things to challenge each other, which was fun. That's what I love about doing collabs, because you get to challenge each other. It's a lot of fun. But I do thank everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you're new to my channel today, thanks for joining me. Hopefully you enjoyed it and you will like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when my next video is coming out. I usually post them on Wednesdays and Sundays, and then randomly here and there if I do collabs on a different day. And if you are returning, I love you guys. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. All the amazing comments, they mean so much to me. I do appreciate you guys so much. You just don't know, but I do. But thanks again, everybody. Have a good day. Have a good evening. And keep being creative. Bye.